Welcome to sunny D'Abruzzo. Only joking, we are in Costa del Burton-on-Trent, and you can tell the autumn's kicking in. It has been hammering it down here today, but I had to show you this McLuey, the Fusion 373, built in D'Abruzzo, famous for the Montepulciano grape, Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. You might have seen it in Sainsbury's, Morrison's, Tesco's, or your other favourite supermarkets. Now, I'm not going to lie, the wind is beginning to get up again. It's just about to get blown off, so I'm just going to take you quickly round this 373. 3.5 tonne, so it can be driven on any driving licence, owned by the Trigiano Group, which, let's face it, they own pretty much the motorhome in the world. Adria, obviously McLuey, Mobilvetta, Sun, Roller Team, Auto Sleeper, Auto Trail, you name it, they've got it. The sun's coming out. What a strange day this is. So, now that you can see me a little bit more, let me take you around. Like I say, this is on the 2021 model 373. Comes complete with alloy wheels, your awning rail, TV aerial, solar panel up there. Starting, if you wanted to get a brand new one, around £65,000. But you are going to be waiting until August of next year for that. That is an insane wait, really. And let's face it, with current climate, August next year, you're probably looking at September or October. August next year if you order it today. And I still need to edit this video. So let me take you a little bit further. This is a beautiful layout of twin singles over this huge garage. Absolutely monstrous garage. And you need that garage because you've got a payload of around 400 plus kilograms, which really means that you can fit a lot of your gear in it. Reverse camera is all you pretty much need on the back, and you can get in on both sides of the garage as well. As you come down the side, you can see you've got your LPG. We are heated by Truma as well. Just beautiful. Big selling point on this, it is on the 9-speed automatic, and it is the 140 brake 2.3 litre Fiat Ducato. And trust me, that 9-speed is absolutely phenomenal. Phenomenal compared to the other Fiat automatics. So here we go, the McLuey Fusion 373. Let me take you inside. As you can see, it is built on the ever popular Fiat Ducato cab. Love the fact that it's got cab aircon. You'd sort of expect it. It's got satellite, but look at that. It's got the 9-speed automatic gearbox. Driving this is an absolute dream. 140 brake, pulls like an absolute train. Drives really well. Very impressed with that gearbox. It's a lot better than the old automatic gearbox. Putting that gearbox in puts about £3,500 to £4,000 on the motorhome, which means this particular one will be about £65,000. It's worth it though. You've got cab blinds, you've got cruise control, you've got multifunctional steering wheel, and you've got the sort of skylight. It's absolutely lush. Fans of the channel. Shane, have we got fans?
I think my mum watches.
Your mum. Shane's mum and my mum, and sometimes my wife or my kids if they get bored, they're the fans of the channel. They'll know that I love Mobilvettas. I love the styling of the Mobilvettas. I love the lighting. I love the way it's all done. McLuey's Italian build. Mobilvetta's Italian build. Just look at the styling here. This is a 5-belt 4-berth motorhome. I suppose you could fit a small child here, but you've got 2 belts under here, beautiful brown and cream leather. You've got another belt here, so nicely in the dinette area. Look at the lighting, just absolutely stunning. Hello! There's your electric drop-down bed. Your control panel is to my left, your right. Lots of space, lots of lights, lots of room. Really impressed with the layout in this, actually. Really impressed. Reheated by Truma heating. Very comfy. You raise me up so I can get the video done. You raise me up. Awkward, I know. My favourite bit, the kitchen. And again, I know I banged on about the styling, I know I banged on about the lighting. Look at this lighting, even like the little touches like the McLuey label just behind the light there. 3-ring burner, 3 gas burner, 3 burner hob, however you swing really on that one. But whatever it is, you can cook 3 things on there. Probably more than 3 things if you've got the same size pans. Great cupboard space and drawer space all around. And again, the lighting is absolutely beautiful. In fact, and I know I've mentioned the payload already, but the cupboard space is exceptional for a motorhome of this size. The fact that they've squeezed it all under 3.5 tonne is a testament to McLuey. Good Dometic oven grill there. Amazing sized fridge freezer. And then you've got Shane's favourite, the twin beds above a garage. Let me show you. As you can see, you can probably hear the rain coming down again. Really good sized beds. There's your infill, but you know, if you want a bit of space and you need to get out for a wee in the middle of the night, then don't put the infill and just keep it as 2 singles. Another great thing, a great feature about these beds, because they are so high up, have a look at the storage space in there. Monstrous storage. You've got it the other side as well, look at that. Now, I've already said I like this, and again, Shane's mum will know that I'm not a big fan of these sort of doors, but you know, they work and they're functional. But it does separate things out nicely, and really nicely, because what you've also got is a separate shower here, which you can even sit down on if you've had one too many drinks. We've all been there in the past. And then when you flip to the other side, you've got your bathroom. Don't forget that toilet, nice lighting, nice ambient lighting. The door does close to the bathroom there, close off to the living area there. Hello. But it's really, really nice. Like I say, this particular model is going to be about £65,000. That's if you order it today, and I still need to edit the video. So you won't be ordering it today unless you already know that you're buying one. Anyway, if you order it today, £64,000, you won't get it till August at the earliest next year. Crazy, crazy, crazy times. You can probably hear the weather. Should we do the sign off from outside, Shane? Because you haven't got your coat. No, let's do the sign off outside. Come on, let's do it. So that's it. The McLuey Fusion. Absolutely beautiful motorhome. Built out of d'Abruzzo. Go and get your favourite Montepulciano d'Abruzzo. My personal one is Sainsbury's Taste the Difference. I'm going to go in before I get too wet. See you next time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment. Right, I'm out of here.
Hey, you made it to the end of the video. Please press subscribe at the bottom, or like if you're on our Facebook, and watch the latest news and motorhome reviews.
To find out more information, you can go on our website www.webuyanymotorcaravan.com. Telephone us on 01283 240 237.